I'll guide you through how to stop WhatsApp from auto-saving photos and videos in your phone gallery without deleting all your existing media or constantly running out of phone storage. If you're looking to finally declutter your phone gallery of endless memes and random group photos, or you want to take back control of your precious internal storage, and you need to stop WhatsApp from auto-saving photos and videos in your phone gallery, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps for both Android and iPhone. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The first and most effective method is the global setting fix. This will prevent all future incoming photos and videos from saving automatically. For Android users, go to the three-dot menu in the top right-hand corner of WhatsApp, select Settings, and then tap Chats. Here, you will find the Media Visibility option. Toggle this off. This setting is the master switch that stops WhatsApp from saving all future media to your phone's gallery. For iPhone users, the process is similar, but the name is different. Go to Settings, tap Chats, and find the option labeled Save to Photos. Toggle this off. This prevents WhatsApp from sending new media directly to your iPhone's camera roll. Remember, this only affects media received after you change the setting. The second method is the per chat override, which is perfect if you only want to block media from specific spammy groups but still want to save photos from your family. To begin, open the specific individual or group chat you want to silence. Tap the contact or group name at the very top of the screen to open the contact or group info page. If you are on Android, tap Media Visibility and select No. If you are on iPhone, tap Save to Photos and select Never. This setting takes precedence over your global setting only for that specific conversation, giving you granular control. For advanced file management, check the description below. Now that you've learned how to stop WhatsApp from auto-saving photos and videos in your phone gallery, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more WhatsApp video tutorials. Thanks for watching.